Hello, guys. Once again, welcome to my stock investing simplified show. Remember, my goal here is to make you rich by showing you the right stocks to buy and hold. Hold for 2 years, 5 years, or more if you want. And when it appreciates in value during this time, you can sell it and make a lot of money. So remember, I always say this. Stock investing is not a get-rich-quick business. It involves having a discipline to ignore whatever the market is doing today or tomorrow or next week or next month or next 3 months or 5 months. That discipline to choose the correct stock, no matter how crazy the market is, then buy it, hold it, and then sell it in 2 years, 5 years, or even 4 years or more and make lots of money. So if we are the type of investor who want to develop that kind of discipline, then this show is for you. Welcome to my show. Now, today, the stock we'll be working on today is called, the company that is called Nvidia. Nvidia. I hope you can see this and make sure. So when you hear that name, artificial intelligence and chips come to your mind for Nvidia. So Nvidia is a corporation. It's a corporation, of course. Now, the main thing they do is to design and manufacture computer graphics processors, chipsets, and other related multimedia software. So usually Nvidia engineers the most advanced chips, systems, and software for the artificial intelligence factories for the future. So under Nvidia, let me put it this way, as simple as I can. The Nvidia build AI services that help companies, to create their own AI factories as well. So anyway, my analysis, I think I gave you enough information already. You can also explore. Remember, you can always explore with anything you can lay your hands on about this company before you can now make your final decision. Anyway, so my analysis of Nvidia Corporation stocks will be based on three things: the company's financial statement, including balance sheet. Not everything in the balance sheet, but the one that I need that will tell me the what is going on in the company. Then the company income statement and cash flow statement. Again, only those things that I need that will give me the temperature of the company. Okay? Or what I would say, give me the what is making the company, to be a great company. Now, the third information is the stock information. Now, let's look at this. Where do we get the information, all this information? Well, I always, the good news is that this day and age of the internet, many things are free of charge on the internet. So we take ourselves to where the information about Nvidia is provided free of charge. So again, I'm going to type the name Nvidia, NVDA. See, that will bring up the corporation right here, NVDA. This is the trading symbol. Bring it up. Nvidia Corporation. As of today, Nvidia is trading at the stock price is it's trading at $409.98 per share. Now, I will start, as I always do, by looking at the company's charts. Let's look at the charts. Okay. Now I'm going to look at this chart. This is what Nvidia this is for Nvidia. Now I'm as a long-term investor, I'm going to put okay, it has 1 year. Okay, let me just put 5 years. 5 years should be good enough. Then I'm gonna insert the for the chart, I'm gonna insert moving average. Okay. Let me see where it's located. Moving average for this chart. Okay, let's see. You're gonna be somewhere. Okay, look at this. Yeah, I see two that are yeah. Yahoo Finance, they changed a lot of things here. So now I'm gonna look for it where it is located. The moving average for this. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's say line. Give me line. Okay. Yeah, you just give me some. Yeah, it used to be somewhere around somewhere in the corner, but let me. It must be somewhere. Where is it? They changed the appearance. Yeah. Let's see. All right, let's see from here. And then per share. Moving average. Advanced chart. Okay. I went to advanced chart. Okay. Now, I will take you back. I figured it out. Now, Yahoo Finance changed the location of things there. So that's why it took me a while. So what we do, we just go to click on the advanced charts and it brings me here. Now, the thing that I can now insert the indicators. First of all, let me make sure you're seeing this. Yep, let's insert the indicators right there. I click on it and I'm insert moving average. I'm gonna make it 200 days since I'm this is for long-term investors. You can see that Nvidia this is the moving average right here. You can see the line here. Line moving average. See? Okay, I'm gonna in any case, the company, you can see I put it for 2022 to 2023. Let me make it this it's 2 years. And you can see the moving average again, see the moving average right here. I can see that this stock is trading above the moving average. I make it 5 years. I mean, it's from 2019, 2020, all the way to 2023. You can see in each case, it is trading above the moving average, even for the long term. Okay. That, of course, when you look at it, what does that tell us? Well, if it is trading above the moving average, it means that it is because it shows a bullish sign. I mean that the stock will be, the value will be going up. It's bullish. Whenever a stock trades above the moving average, that means it's a good sign that it is going to appreciate in value. At least for that, during that period that I've shown. But in this case, from 2019 to 2023 and beyond. Okay. So it shows that it is really a good stock. Now, let's look at the go back and look at the other variables that were still here that we need to we used to evaluate this company. Okay, the other variables I'm referring to is what they called the we look for them under statistics. It will give us some item that we need from the balance sheet, the income statement, and then statement of cash flow. Okay. So let's go down to that place. You can see when I click on the statistics, Yahoo change finally they change a lot of things. So it's right here. This is statistics right here. And make sure you're seeing this. Okay. You can see right, it used to be on this side, but now it's here. Okay. Now when I click on that, it brought me to this page where we can see the financial highlights for the company. Starting with profitability, you can see that Nvidia has a profit margin of 42.110%. You know, this Nvidia's profitability is impressively high, with a profit of 42.10% and an operating margin of 57.49%. So these figures indicate that Nvidia is not only generating significant revenue, but also efficient in managing its operational costs. High margins often reflect a company's strong pricing power and also its operational efficiency. Let's look at management effectiveness. Under that, we'll be looking at the return on asset and return on equity. So the return on asset of 27.23% and the return on equity of 69.17% suggests that Nvidia management is utilizing its assets and equity efficiently. So note that it's important to note here that return on equity in particular is a critical metric, for investors because it indicates how well the company generate profit from its shareholders' investment. So far I can say that so far what you have seen about this company so far looks good. So let us continue, and you can see we will not conclude yet until we go through other metrics. Let's look at the income statement. Under that, we'll be looking at the revenue and growth. So revenue of Nvidia's revenue for the trailing 12 months is 44.87 billion, with an astonishing quarterly revenue growth rate of 205.50%. That is really fantastic. Wow. So anyway, but no, this is a technology company. When they have a new thing, when they develop a new thing, they can just have this astonishing revenue and revenue growth. Anyway, now the growth rate is this growth rate is an indicator of Nvidia's strong market demand and expanding business operations. The company's EBITDA, of course, you know what EBITDA means. EBITDA means earning before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. For Nvidia, the EBITDA is 22.16 billion, which showcases the company's profitability before accounting for the certain financial factors. And actually, it highlights the company's operating profit. Now, let's look at net income that is available to common shareholders for Nvidia. Nvidia is 18.89 billion, and the diluted earning per share is $7.63 per share. I mean, $7.63 per share. So this extraordinary quarterly earnings growth of the company. When I say that, I mean this. When I say quarterly earning growth is 1,259.30%. This is indeed an extraordinary company, But remember, it is a technology company. So usually, sometimes they have good years when they are bringing out new products, that can add significant positive cash flow to the company. So for now, company is good. Okay. All right. So we have the next is the balance sheet. Let's look at the balance sheet. So the balance sheet, Nvidia total cash on hand is 18.26 billion. And the current ratio of, I say the current ratio of 3.59, which means that Nvidia is comfortably, it can comfortably meet its short-term liability, short-term debts. So for each $1 that they owe, they have $3.59 to pay it. For example, if they are owing $1 billion in debt, they have $3,590,000,000, more than enough to pay debt. So that is good. That is really good. So that means that they can meet their short-term liabilities. When I say short-term liability, I mean short-term obligation, debt obligation, like salaries, utility bills, paying your suppliers, and so on and so those things that are due within a year or less, and they have the ability to do that, more than the ability to do that. Okay, the book value, actually, the company actually have a debt of 11.03 billion with a debt to equity ratio of 33.15%. So that will indicate a moderate level of financing, of debt financing. So for the book value, at the book value of $13.49, which can be a conservative measure of a company's value, and for Nvidia, it indicates that the stock might be undervalued because that means that, see, a stock that is trading at $479.08 per share is undervalued. That means it's gonna increase more. But eventually, if it increase bigger, they might do a stock split. But for now, and I would say this is a 2-year to 5-year holding period, because this is a technology company. So sometimes maybe within that time they might appreciate in value, but other tech companies are watching. They might pick it like tech war. They will start bringing up new product that will compete. That might affect the stock value. But so far everything looks good. Now let's look at cash flow statement. Cash flow statement. It said the operating cash flow of $18.84 billion. $18.84 billion, and levered free cash flow of $14.11 billion. This reflects that the company's ability to generate cash from business operations, which is an essential indicator of financial health and of the company's potential for growth and expansion. I will say this about this company. Everything, I mean, the bottom line that Nvidia's financial that we just examined, they picked a company with a strong profitability, efficient management, robust revenue, and healthy cash flow. So these factors make Nvidia stock an attractive option for investors. So, of course, I didn't say it I just wake up and start saying this. You are looking at on the screen, you are seeing everything on the screen. So, and I would believe that what is in the screen is true. I mean, what is in their financial statement is true. So based on that, what would be our final assessment of Nvidia? Well, based on what I have seen so far and what I have shown you so far, should we buy and hold Nvidia stock or not? The answer is buy, B-U-Y, buy Nvidia stock. Yeah. So my answer is to buy it and hold it. Then for you, as the value appreciate more, you sell it and make money. I hope you enjoy my lecture, and I see you here in the next company I will evaluate my next lecture. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you'll be informed and notified whenever there is a new lecture. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye-bye.